In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to deposit money into your Discover account using a check. So firstly, go ahead and open the Discover mobile app on your device, then log in with your username and your password. And on the home screen, tap the More option at the bottom menu. Then from the options, go ahead and select Deposit a check. Next, go ahead and enter the check amount. And after that, capture both the front and the back of the check. So simply tap on Front of Check and align your check within the frame. Then, the app will automatically capture the image once it's in frame. So go ahead and do the same for the back of the check and ensure you've signed the endorsement area. And once you're all done, make sure to review the details and images. And if everything is alright, tap Submit Deposit. You will then receive a confirmation message once the deposit is successfully submitted. Then, make sure to retain the check for 14 days, then securely destroy it. So that's how you make deposits using a check. And if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.